Alright, well, my stupid camera, or my phone, doesn't want to charge anymore, so let's see how long it goes, because it says 0% literally. There's how much snow we got, and it probably started about, I don't know, 4 in the morning, 5, something like that, I don't know. But this is the most I've seen it snow in quite a while, I don't know. The sad part is, it's only going to snow today. Just today. And then tomorrow is going to be nothing, but be colder. Have a low of 14, 12 degrees. This isn't like Oregon, at least, you know, the valley. Maybe in Burns. And we have the Subaru startup. Dun 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 dun. And as an update for Elmer, my car over here, dead battery. Yep, battery took a dump. I had to get a jump. See, last time I drove it, I had to jump this one with that one, and then I was gonna jump this one with this one, but it wouldn't. And then I jumped it again, drove it, and then I thought, well, maybe it charged. Nope, dead. Yeah. I made it all the way home, the dead battery. But yeah, got studs on what's a good name for this Subaru? Nightmare? Blackie? I don't care. Loyale. It's simply Loyale. There we go. Oh yeah. Meats. Look at that. Wow, I can't believe how much it's coming down. This is like Sisters snow. It's amazing. Mom's car, I haven't started up, but it's good. Everything's good. Even Dad/Grandpa's truck that's it's had a bad head gasket for a year. Eats water, but it's been holding coolant. That's good news. So yeah, moral of the story is, well, actually didn't have a problem nobody's had a problem this time, but keep your coolant or antifreeze in your car at all costs. If it's freezing, your car's gonna freeze. Oh, before my phone dies, we gotta check on the chickens. I mean, I've already seen them, but this is for camera's sake. YouTube. The chickens went back in their little hut. Wow, really? Why won't you want to go outside, chickens? Come on. We'll be outside in a rainstorm, but snow. I guess just too cold. The ducks are out. They're having a good time. Quack, 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 quack. One just flew right at me. I can't believe it. I really cannot believe it. I thought it was be another one of those days where they say, oh, it's gonna snow, and then might get like a slight little dust, you know. But look at that. That's coming down hard. As hard as snow can. Come on, ducks, coming back out. Don't be shy. Rooster won't shut up. But yeah, it was supposed to start snowing last night, and I kept on peeking out the window, and nope, it wasn't gonna happen. But hopefully my camera or my phone or whatever that records the video will hold a charge long enough, and they can get some footage of driving down the road, because that's my favorite part of snow, is driving through it. Oh, and this video is brought to you by Ice. Seasonal Canada Dry cranberry. Good stuff. It was just frosty enough that had a little bit of ice in there, but not frozen. Perfect.
Why is your car on?
To warm up.
Where are you going?
Away from you. Alright, that's enough footage for now. Oh, that's right, he's vacuuming. And now my hand's cold.